Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best sweet potato seeds is probably one of the most rewarding crops you can grow in your garden. Today, we're diving deep into the world of sweet potato seeds, exploring everything from choosing the right variety to planting and caring for your seedlings. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this video will equip you with the knowledge you need to cultivate a bountiful harvest of delicious sweet potatoes right in your backyard. Number 5. Gardener's Basic Survival Vegetable Seeds Garden Kit. This kit offers a wide assortment of 35 easy-to-grow vegetable varieties, providing over 16,000 seeds. They are all non-GMO and heirloom varieties. It's a complete gardening kit for your home garden. The seeds are packed in seed packets to prevent mold, unlike plastic bags. Each packet includes complete growing and harvesting instructions. This is perfect for indoor gardens and hydroponic systems. These seeds are grown, sourced, and packaged in the USA. It makes an excellent gift for anyone. You can provide emergency food security by growing and saving seeds or storing them in a cool, dark, dry place. The varieties are picked for their ease of growth in most conditions. This is great for beginners and seasoned gardeners alike. It's ideal for various gardening needs, including emergency preparedness. We are confident that you'll love these survival garden seeds. However, if you're not satisfied for any reason, please contact us. We are here to help. What we like. This kit offers a massive seed count and a wide variety, perfect for a comprehensive garden. It's non-GMO and heirloom, ensuring quality and traditional flavors. If you're looking to start a diverse and abundant garden with a focus on self-sufficiency, you should consider this. What people say. I am very pleased with the sweet potato seeds for planting. The seeds arrived quickly and were well packaged. I planted the seeds and they sprouted within a week. Number 4. Homyhoo 10-gallon potato grow bags, 4-pack. These grow bags are made of breathable double-layer non-woven fabric. The material is heavy-duty felt, which ensures good ventilation and prevents excessive moisture. It also provides more oxygen for your plants. The bags come with a large harvest window. This allows you to easily check your plants and harvest your vegetables. It makes gardening more convenient. These bags have a large 10-gallon capacity, allowing you to grow plenty of vegetables. The size creates a stable growing environment for your plants. The strong handles make these bags easy to move around. You can use them on patios, gardens, balconies, or any indoor-outdoor space. They are perfect for growing potatoes, onions, and more. The bags are easy to fold up and store, taking up minimal space. Simply flap the lid to harvest potatoes. At the end of the season, empty, clean, and dry them for reuse. What we like. These grow bags are made of breathable fabric and feature a convenient harvest window. They are also easy to move around. If you have limited space or want to easily manage your potato plants, you should consider these. What people say. Grew well in the garden. The plants produced a lot of sweet potatoes. Very pleased with the results. Number 3. Spade to Fork Organic Herb Garden Kit. This indoor herb garden kit is perfect for anyone. It's a fun and easy way to grow your own fresh herbs right in your home, no matter your experience level. The kit is made with certified USDA organic seeds, soil, and pots. Everything is safe for your family and the environment. You can be sure that it is a sustainable and eco-friendly system. From our family farm in Oregon, we bring you this complete kit. It contains everything you need to start growing herbs, including seeds, pots, soil, and markers. This kit makes a great gift for anyone who loves to cook or garden. It's a unique and thoughtful present for any occasion. It is suitable for both men and women. Add fresh herbs to your meals and spice up your cooking. This kit is a fun activity for the whole family. It will bring taste, color, and joy to your table. What we like. This kit is fully certified organic, ensuring safe and sustainable gardening. It's a complete kit, including everything you need to start growing herbs. If you are looking for a thoughtful and eco-friendly gift for a gardening enthusiast, you should consider this. What people say. The instructions are simple, detailed, and easy to understand. I absolutely love that everything included is organic and non-GMO. The detailed instructions made it very easy for me to set everything up and plant the seeds. Number 2. Outsidepride Royal Mix Sweet Pea Seeds. These sweet pea seeds are perfect for vertical gardens. They grow tall, producing vibrant flowers from early to late summer. The blooms will add color and fragrance to your garden. These seeds thrive in USDA zones 3 to 9. They do well in full sun but can also handle partial shade. This gives you flexibility in your garden design. The flowers have soft, delicate petals in a mix of colors. They attract pollinators like bees and butterflies. The pleasant fragrance will fill the air. The plants have a free-flowering habit, producing blooms from base to tip. They are great for trellises and vertical gardens. You'll enjoy an abundant display of cut flowers. Plant the seeds in well-drained, rich soil. Germination usually happens within 14 to 21 days. These seeds are easy to care for, making them suitable for all gardeners. What we like. These sweet pea seeds produce vibrant, fragrant flowers that are perfect for vertical gardens. They are easy to grow and offer extended blooms. If you like adding beauty and fragrance to your garden with minimal effort, you should consider these. What people say. Grew well in my garden. The plants produced a lot of sweet potatoes. The sweet potatoes were very tasty. Number 1. Homegrown 8 onion seeds. Welcome to a world of diverse flavors and colors with these onion seeds. This collection offers a range of tastes, from sweet to pungent, perfect for any garden. It's time to explore new culinary possibilities. This high-quality variety is great for salads. You can enjoy its green stalks and bulbs. The semi-spicy, juicy, sweet taste makes it a great base for many dishes. This early variety produces large, firm bulbs. It's drought-resistant and has a distinctive spicy flavor. It is perfect for fresh vegetables, stews, and more. This heirloom variety is known for its adaptability. The bulbs have a mild, fresh flavor, ideal for salads and sandwiches. It is rich in beneficial compounds and vitamin C. This frost-resistant variety offers early, aromatic green stalks. It is rich in vitamins and minerals. You can harvest it in spring, summer, and fall. This high-yielding heirloom has a mild, slightly sweet flavor. It is ideal for fresh salads and baking. It is even the key ingredient in French onion soup. What we like. This product offers a wide variety of onion seeds with diverse flavors and characteristics. It includes heirloom seeds, ensuring quality and unique tastes. If you are looking to add variety and interesting flavors to your homegrown vegetables, you should consider these. What people say. The sweet potato slips arrived quickly and were in great shape. The plants are growing well. I planted them and they are growing great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.